26. It came really good. Taking everything out, unpacking, and then we'll get this thing together. It has the 2 fleece rolls that comes with the package and all the parts. I'll keep documenting and keep everyone up to date. Alright, so we got a bag of all the screws and parts, a spindle for the 2 fleece rolls it came with. These are the 2 downspouts, 1-inch PVC. This is for the return, which I can either put placement anywhere. They have pre-cut and pre-drilled holes, which I'll probably make this my return on this side. And then here's the whole main gear, which I have to put together now. Alright, so got the fleece roller up and running. That's where my return's going to be in here. I'm going to put my protein skimmer here, wall up, and make this my little refugium in here. Over here you could either use these chambers. I'm just doing this quick to show you guys. You have the lock nut on the other side with gaskets for dosing or your ATO. So I'm going to be hopefully dosing ALK, calcium, my ATO, and I'm not sure about the third yet, so I'll leave it vacant. But overall it looks good. There's a whole system here for probes. If you have an Apex system, you can plop your probes right in. And another day we're going to be setting it up in the tank. Finally installed the trigger system Platinum 26 into my Reefer 350. Tank's about a year old. I'll run you through what I did. Basically, I converted the Red Sea matrix system into the US by using these rubber flanges and tightening them down on a coupling so I can go right to the PVC. So this is my main overflow. This is the backup emergency overflow, which goes right into the trigger box, which is hard plumb. And as you can see, this is where the 2 go. Goes into this fleece chamber here, which has the fleece on the left, bottom, and right sides. What happens is the water flows into here, goes down into this chamber, but can also come out through this grated chamber. And as you can see, here's my fleece roller. It's dry, there's no odor, it looks good. Here's the motor. The way it turns are there's 2 float valves. One here, which activates the motor back here to turn. And then there's a secondary, a little higher in case that one fails. Now, if you're working on your sump, there's a system here when this one triggers, because the sump gets too high, it shuts down the motor so you're not wasting any fleece, because the water in the sump is going to rise probably up to here. So I have a Red Sea protein skimmer here, and as you can see, it's very limited on space for a refugium. But what I did was, on my return pump, I popped 2 1-inch holes through the cabinet, which I installed a new refugium here. So what I did was, I put a T here to a little gate valve, which feeds my little refugium here. I have all BioCubes. Here's my Cato and another microalgae. I installed this Tunzi refugium light, which is perfect, as you can see. This is a 5.5 gallon. I drilled a 1 3/4 inch bulkhead hole for the overflow. The only thing I need to add is a net to capture any microalgae. that comes through back down into my sump here. That's the only thing I see here is, you know, limited room on the refugium, but overall it went really good. And I also just installed this, sorry for the wiring, the JBJ ATO, which is pretty neat. This is their sensor here, so when the water falls below that, it fills. It also comes with another sensor that goes into the ATO to give me an alarm. So as of now, I have this up and running for about a week. I have to say the water looks pretty polished, and I'll do an update soon.